Hi guys, my name is Priyanka. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you guys like it and I'll try to finish it very soon. Hi, good morning everyone. I have just woken up. It's almost 4 o'clock now and this is my attempt to start vlogging. I woke up because the courier guys actually called me. My nykaa parcel has come and I have called for some skincare because of the mask that we have been wearing lately. I've been breaking out a bit and I thought of investing in some good skincare finally. So I'll show you what all I got. Actually, I'll show it to you now. So my nykaa parcel just came and I got all these things. Now this is the first time I'm buying skincare, okay, so that's why I bought quite a lot. This is like a retinol cream. This was a combo pack. I've got retinoid moisturizer, and this was like a freebie that I got from Dot & Key. So yeah, I'm gonna try all these things from today. I'll definitely put like a review also of how my skin looks before and after. But before that, I will have a cup of tea. Just got ready and it's almost evening outside. Meeting a few friends and I have kept all my skincare in this basket, and yeah, I want to fill it all actually, so let's see. I've also applied the Olay cream today. Skin is looking nice and moisturized and my hair is still wet actually. And this is my room.